Yo, what's up, YouTubers? This is Blindboxguy here with another video of the Overwatch Cute But Deadly Series 5 Overwatch Edition. So last time we got some of the characters here. We got Zenyatta, Mercy from the Time Walkers video. And then we have Junkrat, Moira, Mei, the Translucent Mei, Widowmaker, the Chrono Torbjorn, White Hat Mcree, Midnight Zarya, Shrike Anna, and White Reaper. So the only one that we're looking for is the Symmetra. So that's the only one to complete the collection. So let's go ahead and go. Remember last time we got the Translucent Mei, which is pretty cool. That is the mystery figure right here. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we get. So again, we're chasing after the Symmetra, which should be a common, but we have not run into her at all. So let's go ahead and see what's gonna chase her down today. All right, so we got Shrike Anna. Let's go with our second box. Come on, Symmetra. I feel like we're gonna bust open a lot of boxes and not run into her at all. Okay, we got Mcree. White Hat Mcree. Yeah, that's what it's called. Yep, White Hat Mcree. All right, next box. We got Widowmaker. So we got Widowmaker. Where's our stand at? Oh, it's not coming to stand. Oh no. I guess that Widowmaker didn't come with a stand, so that's not good. I'll look for it later. All right, next figure. Next figure, we got Junkrat. We got Junkrat. Let's see what we got here. Come on, Symmetra. Let's end it. Ooh, we got another Mcree. Another White Hat Mcree. It's high noon. All right. We have another Junkrat. It's always that last one that you chase down that is really hard to get. Everybody else is easy to collect. I mean, we somehow pulled the hardest one to pull and no Symmetra, so that's pretty nutty. Here we go. We got the White Reaper, W-I-G-H-T. Play on words. We got, oh my goodness, another Translucent Mei. So that's that chaser. So we got another Translucent Mei. So the figure that's the hardest to get, I've been getting more of, and the one figure that I need, I can't get. It's wild. We got Torbjorn. All right, guys, I got a few more boxes. I'm gonna grab them real quick. I'm gonna keep going because I have a few of these boxes. I'm gonna keep going until I get Symmetra. Come on, Symmetra. Oh, we got the regular Mei. who we get here. Oh, there's Symmetra. So that's the one that we wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. I'll just open these 2 boxes. Might as well. All right. So we got Symmetra, the last one in that particular box. Feels good to pull the one that you need. That completes the collection. But here we go. 2 more. This one is Junkrat. I think Junkrat's the extremely common one. So we got Junkrat right here. And then last but not least, let's see who we get. Blindbox fun. Okay. Another white hat Mcree. So this is who we got as of now. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. It's crazy how we pulled another translucent Mei. So we got this ice form Mei. So those of you who play the game, you know that her powers are pretty much ice. So yeah, we got another translucent Mei. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys next time.